You record me and you record where I'm shooting at, you know?
Yeah. Stay behind you. So
Yep. Right over here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah.
Where you're aiming.
Yep.
Wow, these big bullets.
Yep. This is a Russian. This is American-made AK47. This is one of the best of best. This is custom-made AK. Not like old Russian one or something. This is whole different, man.
How many bullets this clip hold?
This one takes 10 in California.
10.
Yep.
Okay.
Safety.
Safety.
Yep. You can pull it. I put too much bullets. That's what happens. You see, you put too much bullets. California, they don't let you put too much bullets. I put 11, right? It jammed.
Look at that.
It's in there.
In there.
You shoot at me, the hill I'm shooting, and the plus the gun right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot at both spots. You see dust come out?
Yes.
Let's see, I'm gonna shoot even farther. This is gonna fucking go farther. Let's see, I'm gonna shoot the way spot right there.
Okay.
See the ball spot?
Yes.
This is gonna go that far. Yep. Did you see that?
It did, yeah.
Yep. Wow. You see the dust?
Yeah.
Wow, dude. This fucking thing go way the other hill. I'm gonna shoot the dead tree right there.
Yeah, you got it. See the dust?
Tree?
Yep, I see it. Wow. I don't know where the last one went.
Let's see if I go way top up hill. Ah, nothing.
Other bullets.
Yep.
Man, this thing is powerful.
Yep. But AR-15 even go farther. AR-15.
Okay, I turned it off.
Okay, turn it off.